जब कोई मेरे साथ गलत व्यवहार करता है, कोई मुझे धोखा देता है, तो मैं याद रखता हूँ, अपना समय आने की राह देखता हूँ.
He was a politician, he was a model, he had been called a king and a kingmaker as well. Devendra Fadnavis was born into a Marathi family in Nagpur on 22nd July 1970. His father, Gangadhar Rao, was an RSS pracharak and an MLC from the Jan Sangh. In an interview with India Today, he said that during the emergency in 1975, his father was also arrested. This incident made him dislike the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. He left his school at the age of 6 because it was named after Indira Gandhi. After this, his family enrolled him in Saraswati Shishu Mandir. He was 17 years old in 1987 when he lost his father, from whom he had learned the basics of politics. 2 years later, he was in college when he joined the RSS student wing Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. After earning a law degree, he pursued business management studies but chose politics as his career.
विद्यार्थी परिषद में जो हमारे नेता हुआ करते थे, उन्होंने कहा जी फैसला हुआ है कि आपको कल से बीजेपी में काम करना है. तो मैंने कहा था मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में जाना नहीं है.
At the age of 22, he was elected as a corporator in the Nagpur Municipal Corporation in 1992. 5 years later, at the age of 27, he became the youngest mayor by winning the municipal elections from the Ramnagar ward of Nagpur. He entered the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly by winning the Nagpur West constituency 2 years later. Besides being a politician, he worked as a model for a clothing brand in Nagpur. During his second term as an MLA, he married banker Amrita at the age of 35. Amrita continued a job at Axis Bank even after he became chief minister.
पॉलिटिक्स में जितना समय घर को देना चाहिए मैं नहीं देता हूँ, मेरी वाइफ को भी नहीं देता हूँ, मेरी बेटी को भी नहीं देता हूँ.
At the age of 44, he became Maharashtra's second youngest chief minister. Before becoming CM, his administrative experience was limited to being a mayor and he had never held a ministerial position.
पार्टी में अलग अलग पदों पे काम किया मैंने. मैं युवा मोर्चा में नेशनल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट रहा, फिर महाराष्ट्र में पार्टी का जनरल सेक्रेटरी रहा, फिर महाराष्ट्र बीजेपी का प्रेसिडेंट मुझे बनाया.
As chief minister, he faced opposition both within and outside his party, but demonstrated political shrewdness and administrative skill, becoming the first BJP leader to complete a full 5-year term as Maharashtra CM. He sought to portray himself as a leader untouched by the lure of power. He wore simple clothes, stood in line to buy tickets, and traveled economy class from Mumbai to Nagpur. In 2019, his track record and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity helped the BJP emerge as the single largest party in the state. That year, he briefly held a second term as chief minister for 5 days, but he failed to prove a majority and had to resign after Ajit Pawar backed out of their alliance. Subsequently, a Mahavikas Aghadi government led by Uddhav Thackeray was formed.
मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना. मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना. मैं समंदर हूँ, लौट कर वापस आऊंगा.
3 years later, he was dubbed the architect who split Shiv Sena, which forced Uddhav Thackeray to resign. While many expected him to return as chief minister, he proposed Shiv Sena rebel Eknath Shinde's name for the position and took oath as deputy chief minister himself.
मुझे थोड़ा खट्टा लगा था. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि लोग क्या कहेंगे कि जो व्यक्ति मुख्यमंत्री पद पर रहा है वो सत्ता के लिए कितना लालयित है कि डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बन रहा है.
He said he eventually realized that his party's decision was correct.
जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सरकार में रहकर कर सकते हो उस सरकार से बाहर रहकर नहीं कर सकते.
After the BJP's underwhelming performance during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, he adopted a more aggressive approach while campaigning for the assembly elections, delivering the party its highest seat tally ever in Maharashtra. This is the story of Devendra Fadnavis, who has played the roles of both king and kingmaker.